Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I'm sure you all are taking good care of yourself at home. Prayers for all of you. So, children, today I'm back with something new. Do you know which day we celebrate on 1st of May? You're right. On 1st of May, we celebrate Labor Day. So, it is a day when we appreciate workers. All the people who work hard on this day, they come together to showcase their strengths. So today we take the opportunity to give a big thanks to the people who work for the betterment of our society. So let's make a beautiful card for them. Come, let's get started. For this, you need a sheet which is as big as this, maybe A3 sheet. If you don't have any sheet at home, you can cut a plain sheet, and the size should be this. And I'm going to keep this sheet like this. I have used another sheet which is quite smaller than this, and I had some glitter sheet at home, so I'm using it. What you have to do with this, you have to use this rectangular sheet and fold it, right? Once we fold it, what we are going to do, we are going to, like this, in a longer way I have folded it. So the sheet was this, I have folded it. Once I have folded this, I will use a marker to make a line like this, the structure of L. The sheet was this, I fold it like this. I will make a structure of L, and from the other side I'm making somehow a reverse C, right? Can you see that? The sheet was this, I have folded it. On the corner from which side it is open, I have just made this turn reverse C, and on the other side where the fold was there, I have made L. Now I have to cut it. How I'm going to cut it? I will cut it somehow like this, and then further I will give a shape. Right. So now once I have cut this, it will come out to be like this, right? So now this is like a dress. I'm going to put this in the center. This structure I'm going to paste over here, right? So I'm going to put some Fevicol. If you have some tape, you can apply here, and then we will paste in the center like this. I'm getting my Fevicol here, and with the Fevicol and with some tape, I'm using at the back of this sheet. You can use sellotape if you have, whatever thing you have at home. Paste it like this. Now what we can do, I have another rectangular sheet smaller than this. I'll make a pocket here. So I will paste here in the center. So this will become a pocket of the dress which I'm making. So we are going to thank the labor, the people who work for our society. It is our duty to give them a big thanks, and that's how we are presenting a beautiful card to them. Let's bring it in the center like this. Okay. Now further, you can also add some tools which the labor use. You can give a shape of a hammer, of any tool which they use, and you can show it like this, that you are using it in the pocket, or you can use a different color if the color is not visible. So I'm going to use a different shape and color. I'll make it a shape of a tool. I'll put it here in the center in this pocket as a tool, right? After this, what you can do, you can paste this side also, right? Now I can make eyes here, one here, another one here, eyebrows, lashes in the eyes, right? And here we can write Happy Labor Day. We are thanking them. Happy Labor Day. In bold letters you can write. And if you want to decorate it further, if you have any waste material, you can use any waste material here. If you have any beads, you can use the beads. And if you have you want to add something to the pocket, you can add something to the pocket also. This is how we can wish them, and you can use your creative ideas. So we are thanking them, right? So take good care of yourself and happy Labor Day to everyone. Thank you, children.